Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and removing the controller. You want no power present. Once done, remove screws in a logical order. Try wing first, then Phillips, because screw lengths differ and matter. Carefully pry the shell with plastic tools to avoid crushing clips. You will see ribbon cables and the board. Take pictures as you go, since orientation is crucial when reassembling. Make sure to place screws in labeled containers, so you don't mix long versus short screws later. You'll now access the button mechanisms: rubber pads, metal domes, and switch contacts. Gently clean plastic pads with 90% plus isopropyl on a cotton swab, and use a soft brush to remove debris. This restores conductivity and feel. If metal domes are corroded or torn rubber causes ghosting or sticking, replace them. OEM spec parts maintain tactile response. Reflow is not required for surface dirt, but if switches are damaged, swap the entire switch or board section to ensure last. Reassemble by reconnecting ribbon cables and seating the board carefully. Make sure connectors click and rubber pads sit centered. Tighten screws in the reverse order you documented. Don't over-tighten. Plastic thread strip. Power on and run button tests in the console settings or a simple game to confirm input and dead zones. If a specific button still fails, inspect solder joints and the flex cable for breaks. If you see cracked traces or intermittent contact, replace that part or consult a repair technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.